Yeah, that was true leadership from Therapeutic Goods Administration, and it really is inspirational for Australians to be at the forefront of something for a change. You know, we tend to follow a lot, and it's very important that we actually motivate people to be pioneers and to create systemic change and to actually support change makers, because we really need change. There's many systems that are not working very well that need to be innovated upon and improved. And certainly one of those in Australia is our mental health treatment system. And, you know, as you well know, Mason, the majority of patients have not been getting well from the current existing treatments for the best part of 50 years. And sadly, we're seeing very few people going into remission from existing treatments for depression and trauma. So to have the opportunity to reschedule psilocybin and MDMA from Schedule 9 to Schedule 8, yes, the circumstances in which they can be used are pretty limited through this recent decision. So for those that don't know how that works, basically psychiatrists are the ones who will be screening and be able to prescribe to treatment-resistant patients with treatment-resistant depression or treatment-resistant post-traumatic stress disorder if they get authorized prescriber status, and that is granted through special ethics committee approval. So there's a few hoops for people to go through, but that's a way to start having some clinical treatments taking place in Australia, collecting some real world evidence and data, which the TGA has requested, which is also very important so that people can start to see the outcomes of these treatments. And of course, we know from over 300 trials that have been taking place around the world with these medicines over the past 15 years that the remission rates are significantly higher than what they are for existing treatments for these conditions. So it is so important to give people who've got no other hope of getting better the chance to have access to these treatments if they are suitable patients for these treatments. Obviously, we don't suggest that these treatments could work for every single patient, and indeed some patients won't be suitable patients for these treatments.